You can let go. There you go. Do you still see them?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Well, this is Porthos and Cyrene, and they're getting all back. If you look closely, you can see Porthos's eyes are blue. You see that? There you go. It means he's gonna shed. Yeah, it means he's gonna shed soon. And Cyrene was in the Sphagnum Moss wet bowl, so I said she can come on in too. And we're just having a little bath here. This is pretty tepid warm water. And, oh, time for the soap bar. Alright, we'll soap you on down. Here we go. Oh yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah. Let's get your eyes. Alright, time to rinse off now. Oh, doesn't that feel better? Oh yeah.
She didn't really put any soap on the snakes.
I didn't. Come on. Come on. They don't get bad too often. Ooh, you can see his really pink belly there. Alright, Cal. Come on back here. Come on. She goes, I want to explore. I know what water is. What's the kitchen? I want to cook something. No, wait, I like it raw. Now, he's got his belly up. And he's really comfortable with that. So, he must be really enjoying this soap. Either that or he's belly up and dying. I don't think that's the case. Oh, there he goes. He flips it around. He goes, you're looking at my belly? Oh, don't make fun of me. I'm shedding. It's not my prettiest time in the world. Yeah, Porthos, I know. You're still the most beautiful snake in the male python world.
At least in this house.
No, in the world. Come on back. You're getting cold. Get back in that warm water. Man, they sure are enjoying this. My little curious girl. If you're a boy, I'd call you Curious George. Come on. Come on. Oh, she's head shy, remember. There. Because I don't need to be soaked yet. Well, it doesn't hurt. You guys usually are pretty close to the same schedule for pooping and shedding and eating. And the same schedule for eating. Alright, you know how to turn that off?
No.
Okay, just hit that button again. Bye-bye!